Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to pressure cook rice. So this is a really simple recipe, and if you're looking for a very clean carbohydrate that you can add to your daily meals or eat whenever you want, then this is something that I personally utilize and I highly recommend. If you don't already have a pressure cooker, it's a very simple to use cooking device, and it's something that I think is really underutilized in the kitchen, but something that's really helpful. In addition to making rice, you can also use it to make beans, you can make bone broths, and a whole bunch of other really cool stuff. So this recipe is super simple. All you're going to do is for every cup of rice you add to your pressure cooker, you're going to add 2 cups of water. So I found that allows me to make rice without burning it, and I haven't had any issues with that, so that's what I stick with. So what you're going to do, you can take your white rice. Again, this is white rice. Don't use brown rice with this recipe because it won't cook enough. So you're going to get white rice. Personally, I think that white rice is healthier based on my research and based on what I've read. I think that white rice is healthier just because it's not as stressful on your digestive system. You can do the research yourself, but I recommend and I personally use white rice. So what we're going to do here is add 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of rice. Ta-da! Get that all out. And then I'm going to add 4 cups of water. I've already pre-measured this. Adding 4 cups of water. That's going to totally cover the rice. And then I'm going to add a little bit of butter as well. So I usually add 1 tablespoon of butter per cup of rice. It's up to you. The more butter you add, the more flavor it's going to be. Butter isn't really bad for you as long as you get grass-fed, unsalted butter and in moderation. So, and then to make this work, you do need the lid, which I'll put on later, but you're just going to go to high pressure, 5 minutes, and then you press start once you have your lid on, and that's it. And it usually takes, I don't know the exact time, I'm going to guess it takes between 20 to 30 minutes though. And then at that point, it is depressurized, and you can add it to whatever you want. You can add it to the base of meat and vegetables. I've even added it in with eggs in the morning. And yeah, it's just a really clean carbohydrate that you can have and very easy to eat. So that's it. Hope you found this useful. Make sure to like the video, comment, share. If you're not following me on social media already, I'm on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. And if you want to learn more about what I do with Manful Yoga and actually jump into a full online fitness-focused yoga program, head to manfulyoga.com to learn more. And that's it. Again, hope you found this useful, and I'll see you on the next one.